Hello, this is Honey Music School. Today, we'll explain how to set up your Mac for music production lessons using GarageBand. If your Mac has a built-in microphone and speakers, you can participate in our lessons without any additional DTM equipment. If you have any equipment, feel free to use it for the lessons. Let's dive into the main steps, which are divided into 9 parts. Step 1. Zoom audio settings. Step 2. Setting up original sound for musicians. Step 3. Starting a new meeting in Zoom. Step 4. Turning on the original sound. Step 5. Using share screen and share sound. Step 6. Launching GarageBand and opening settings. Step 7. Changing GarageBand's audio device to Zoom audio device. Step 8. Preparing data according to the course you're taking. Step 9. Sharing GarageBand's sound through Zoom share screen and share sound during the lesson. Step 1. Zoom audio settings. First, adjust the device settings in Zoom. Go to Zoom settings, select audio, and switch your speaker and microphone to either your audio interface or the built-in options. Step 2. Original sound for musicians setting. In the audio settings, check original sound for musicians. Then, check high fidelity music mode and echo cancellation below it. Please do not check stereo audio. Step 3. Starting a new meeting in Zoom. Click on New Meeting. Note that when actually attending a lesson, you'll click Join to enter the Zoom meeting. Step 4. Turning on the original sound. Click once on Original Sound for Musicians, off at the top left corner of the Zoom screen to change it to on. This prevents the DAW sound from being eliminated as noise. Step 5. Using share screen and share sound. Click Share Screen at the bottom center of Zoom, check Share Sound, select Desktop 1, and share your screen. Step 6. Launching GarageBand and opening settings. Launch GarageBand. Make sure to do this after completing Step 5. Step 7. Changing GarageBand's audio device. Change GarageBand's input and output devices to Zoom audio device, which should appear after performing Step 5 and launching GarageBand. If it doesn't show up, you might need to restart your Mac or reinstall Zoom. When not in a lesson, switch back from Zoom audio device to your preferred audio interface or built-in microphone and speakers. Step 8. Preparing data for your course. For those taking the Music Theory course or J-Pop Analysis course, set up piano sounds in GarageBand. If you're taking the DTM course, please provide the instructor with MIDI data, chord tracks, or your GarageBand project. Step 9. Sharing GarageBand sound in a lesson. With GarageBand open, use Zoom share screen and share sound to share both the DAW screen and sound. For necessary DTM equipment, please refer to the article linked in the video description. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We are the music school which can learn songs in the Japanese language at the same time. All members are native Japanese teachers. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.